If you want to link your Instagram profile to your YouTube channel and in your video descriptions, like here together with the icons, in this video I will show you quickly how to do that. So let's get started. Okay, so firstly you need to have the URL of your Instagram link. You can copy it from the browser, then go to your YouTube studio. Here you need to select content on the left hand side. Then select here one of the videos by clicking on its title. Now you can copy and paste your Instagram link somewhere in the description box. Make also sure to include the HTTPS at the beginning of your link, otherwise it won't be clickable. Click on Save at the top right corner. Now let's go to the video and let's check the description if the link is there. As we can see, the link is now here together with the icon, and it is also clickable, so everything is fine. You don't need to do anything for having this icon here. YouTube should update it automatically. But if you don't want to add manually the Instagram link one by one to all of your upcoming videos, then go to Settings, click on Upload Defaults. Now here inside the description box, if you paste somewhere the Instagram link and click on Save, now for every upcoming video you upload will automatically include your Instagram link in the description part of your videos. But for your already uploaded videos, unfortunately you have to do that manually. Okay, now let's see how to add your Instagram profile to your YouTube channel like here, so it is visible on your channel page inside the About section box and also below your profile name. Now again from your YouTube studio, this time you need to go to the Customization tab, click on the Basic Info tab, scroll down until you see the Links section, and here you need to add a new link, give it a name, let's say Instagram, and paste the URL here. You can also add here your other social media links, your newsletter or a website if you have. Click on Publish at the top right corner. Now let's go back. Your Instagram link should appear inside the About section of your channel and also at the bottom of your video descriptions, directly below your profile name. But if you don't see these changes immediately, don't worry because it can take a while for YouTube to update your channel's profile. If you need more tips on YouTube and content creation, you can sign up to my newsletter, the link is below. And if you have a small YouTube channel, then check out my next video for more additional tips. Thank you guys for watching.